What's up, bitches? We out here. Let me show you where we're going. We're going to Tahiti. We just came from the chocolate store and we got Dubai chocolate. So now we're gonna try it. Okay, let's try this. It's the real deal. Alex has never tried it before. It's giving Willy Wonka. Bitch! Just crack her open. Oh, whoa. What is that? It's called kataifi. It's like a, is it Middle Eastern? Is it 1, 2, 3?
The texture.
I know.
It's the texture.
Fire.
Fucking good.
Fire.
How much was it though? 15 bucks.
I bit it. Try the last bite. Tell me what you think.
So good.
What are we doing? Oh, what's up? We're influencing the world right now. We have to say,
How do we influence
we have
the
to
world?
say something on here.
Make good choices.
Yes. Don't keep valuables in your vehicle in San Francisco.
Yes, Miss Cop. Yes, Miss
Don't,
Cop.
don't do it.
Don't do it. Whatever you do. Oh my gosh, not me getting stuck. Just landed. Here we go. Thank you.
You give them to somebody out there.
Okay, it's so warm and humid.
Are these stairs trippy as fuck? Yeah, I know we're
I already love you, Tahiti. We're so excited. I don't want to roll out.
Got you.
Prettier than the US dollar, isn't it?
These are $10.
Huh? These are not $10, but I got 300.
This is $10.
So then why did I?
Maybe you only got $3.
Yeah, maybe you got only 30.
But it.
The 100 are like technically $1.
Yeah.
So will I see it?
I was telling you to move the decimal over. It's $10.
I said I went on Google and said 2,000 US dollars.
2,000? Got 3 of those?
I got this only. Okay, I'm done.
Wait.
Cut. Going back because I clearly didn't do this shit right. The Google was off. They weren't lying when they said just move the fucking decimal, but I was anticipating taking like 250, and that was so wrong. There's so many zeros. Put the money. Yeah.
She's richness.
Hold on, $20 first. Oh, there you go. Look at our baby car. We're all set. Miss Ambulance is gonna drive the car. Miss Ambulance? Okay, we're good. Bitch.
That's our bungalow.
That's our little bungalow, y'all. It's so,
She's so cute.
It's so. Oh, that's awkward. That's not ours. Ow. This is a whole mission for real. Okay, but now how do we get in? What the fuck?
Use the key with the remote to open the bay window.
2 hours later.
Oh, look how cute it is. This is home number 1 of 3. Swan pillow. An electric fly swatter. That's a room? Yeah. That's really cute. Oh! Hey! Oh, what? Are your butt? Aww! Each one has a little remote. This scary ass stairs. Yes. That sure is! We're gonna get settled and we'll see what the move is. We don't know yet. We just woke up. Tired. Hey, we're gonna go see the beach. Come on. So where do you go? You can't take a little peek. Yeah. I think it's over here, honestly. Oh! Look at that! That one? That one. No, you literally. Goodness. Okay, we got the keys. The key. And then. There. Oh, fuck. Oh, you scared me. Get the fuck. Oh, my kidney. Oh, my goodness. There's a dog over there. Oh, fuck. Ah! No, me. So fucking clear.
Lunch.
She frolicking.
She was a
Frolicking. Frolic. Oh, 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 oh. Hey. Oh my gosh. Is that? I think that's Moorea. You're a little off. Higher. Oh, walk forward more. Right. Up more. Wait, no. Don't bend down.
Alana, this looks so funny. Alana, this looks so fake.
Let me see.
I got one. Okay, balance. Wait, balance. Oh, we are here.
It's like really stable,
In
huh?
our private beach.
All right, we're gonna go eat breakfast. It's really bad, guys. Oh, fuck!
Why does this happen to me?
I know, it's the second time she splashed herself in the face with the shower. Auntie Wendy made us garlic rice, eggs, snacks from home. Yes. All right, we're gonna eat. I'll take you along where we're gonna go because we don't know yet.
Why is there a green medicinal?
We found the goods. If you know, you know. We just got out of Carrefour and we're gonna give you a haul. First off, applesauce, juice, multi-fruit, almond milk. For the coffee. We both got cotton swabs. Yeah, we had to get some balm for tattoos and stuff. And we got baby bells, anti-mosquito mando. Look at this, y'all. It's sparkly. I'm trying to get bronze. Leave-in condition. More so them bugs are off. They also told me I had to put on a shirt, so I had to tie one of her pareos. He said no bathing suit tops.
I said well dressed only.
Well dressed only. Cute. Cute. It's so cute.
Have you sweat on like 1,000?
I know. I was so sweaty. Guys, watch. Bitch, please. Look how perfect it is.
Then you have to film this because the shit's crazy.
Go, 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 go. No, this shit's insane.
That shit scared the shit out of me last night.
What the fuck? Oh, the little Venus.
Yeah.
It's just kind of scary. So this is where we're practicing. Oh.
Yes,
All right.
We out here.
We out here. Got the costume. Oh, look at everyone. It smells so good. I love it. Hi.
know that like these two houses are pretty like updated. I'm like, what do how the houses around here?
Fresh coconuts right there. Go drink one.
Let's crack it.
Let's crack it open.
Cold one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
She's an island girl. Hey, hey, hey. Period.
Where are they at?
Right there. Let's zoom in. What the hell was that? What was that? The camera. Oh. Flow is so real.
Okay, Tom, shoulder. Oh, hey. On again.
We're going down to the ocean. Oh, we in the fucking wilderness for real. Ooh, it's not. It feels really good. Crystal. Yeah. I'm gonna like her when I get older, y'all. I'm so serious. So warm. This view. This is people's everyday.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Chili burr. Chili burr.
So clear.
It is too clear. Yeah, look at This is my first wash.
Your fresh hair?
I got a gloss.
Oh, I get that all the time too.
Okay, I'm gonna go out. I know. Oh my goodness, this feels amazing. It's beautiful. I love it. I just want to live here. Look at my doggy paddle. All the dye's coming out.
Doing a thing.
So are we ready for pictures? You got me?
Come on, let's go.
I can't believe we're out here. This is your first time in the beach? Yes, my first time in the beach. Up. But it looks good. Oh, yes. We're out here, bitch.
I deserve it.
We deserve it. We've been working so hard. Oh my goodness. Look, you can see everything. Dude, we're literally like, hey. Wait. Can you see my legs? Hey. Whoa. How do you feel? I feel amazing. It feels surreal. I feel like I'm not really here, you know? Get it! Mickey bitch, it looks so far and I don't know why. Hi mama! The crepe.
This is hidden.
It really is.
I got bananas, chocolate, vanilla ice cream. They took it back and they put little creme.
I was like the emotional.
Maybe you should.
What are you doing right now?
You want to tell me mine?
Hanging on for dear life. That's funny.
Fun.
Chilling. Oh, he's gonna walk soon.
Oh!
Wait, did you see him wave his? Did you see him wave his tail? Waved his tail around like he's trying to warn me.
Cute.
So I'm like, meh.
Oh.
Oh,
Cup your hand over the top.
yes. Get off. Get off. Go. Go here,
Wow,
sir.
he's like.
Oh. He's on me! Oh! I was like, where? Oh! Sorry. Oh! I thought I was gonna fall. Wait, I think I can get him now for real. Wait.
Leave him on there.
Okay. Hello.
Got no pillow.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Good night.
He said we scream.
You don't pronounce the H.
Day two, we're getting pastries, and then we're gonna go to our first workshop of the trip. Oh, it's called Hot Boys. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, how cute. Yarana. So we got like an apple fritter thing.
I don't know what this is.
It looks like a copa. Yes. Bomb. Show them the top. The top is so pretty. It's like light and buttery, bitch.
The cream is pretty good. It's not like American cream where it's
Oh,
like,
you're right.
Wait a second. I like the flakes.
We're gonna go dance now. 10 out of 10. This is Alana's fit. She's wearing a pareo. And she's rocking her braids that I did last night.
You did it so good. Look at it.
It's so perfect. Watch out! Oh, get the fuck out. Nope, I'm not going with the men. We shouldn't look lost around men. How did you find this? Oh, you're just gonna tie the top? Oh, I see. We're matching. one. Here. Thank you. The waist, peep the waist. Peep the butt sweat. Yeah, you're glowing. Hey, hey, hey. Apparently there's a chow mein sandwich. I want to try. Right here. Steaks free. Yes. Shut up. I wonder if they can cut it. Thank you. Have to get it. The real mango smoothie. Those who know me know I love my boba. I love my boba. Sorry. Oh my goodness. These dresses. Where do I start? Oh. We just got back from the beach and now we're gonna go visit the Ascarios and join them in their little jacuzzi. And then we might get our own steak free later. Yeah. I don't know who the fuck said it was okay to put us two in the car and have her drive and me be the directions. At night. At night. Fuck.
I drive very well here. I've only been pulled over once.
Oh. Alright.
Let's
just look.
Hey. We out here, bitches.
Ew, it looks so nice. So this shit is nice. Yes. We are gonna have so much fun. Let's get in the vlog.